Hi. I'll be answering some questions using this layout of me in a Sodican art style. My favorite food is a French dish called quiche that is kind of a savory pie. My favorite singers are Weird Al and, of course, Sodican. And my hobbies are playing guitar, listening to music, drawing, and playing Slime Rancher too. My favorite colors are grassy greens and brown. Yet another question from my mood. Am I with Sammy X Angelique cause I you mesh up with her, and I accept anyone else who you mesh ups with her? Yeah, that's all the questions I got. It's quite a small amount of questions, so ask me some more. Anyways, farewell my experiments. Anchor Star Rants taking a bow.